Pterodactyl here, and I want to tell you about the 6 things you should never do with your riding lawnmower. Number 6, never leave it outside. Don't leave it outside. It's not a car. When you leave it outside, especially if you leave it on grass, it's just going to rust everything. Everything's going to get frozen. It's going to get wet. It's going to get rusty. Mice are going to get in it, varmints. It's going to lock up the starter. It's going to rust the brakes. It's going to rust everything up. It's not a car. Don't leave it outside. Number 5, never cut your grass when it's wet. When you cut the grass when it's wet, it has a tendency to stick and clog up the underneath of the lawnmower, and it's not going to give you a good cut, especially when it gets all packed up underneath there. And especially if you got a mulch plug, that's really going to pack it up underneath there. So never cut your grass when it's wet. Number 4, never start your lawnmower up without checking the oil first. Oh, this one's low. Better top it off. Number 3, never disable the safeties that come with the lawnmower, like the seat switch. A lot of people don't know this, but you know, if you set the parking brake, the mower will keep running. A lot of people don't know that. Just turn the blades off, put the parking brake on, and the mower will keep running. Then you can get off and do things. But don't disable the safeties. They're on there for a reason, and that's to protect you from getting hurt. Number 2, never put your mower away without cleaning off the deck. You know, that grass clippings, it's mostly moisture or water. And that stuff, when it dries out, it's gonna rust off your deck. You wanna be able to keep your mower for a long time without the deck rusting. So just simply put your deck on the lowest setting, and if you got a leaf blower, blow it off. Now you're ready to put it away for the next time you cut. And the number 1 thing you should never do with your lawnmower, and when I see people do this, I get infuriated. Never ride with your children on the lawnmower. This isn't a toy. This thing has got spinning blades that can chop you up. And another thing, people take the deck guards and stuff off. Your child could get their foot caught in there where the belt and the pulleys are spinning. When I see people doing that, that just makes me so mad. If you're doing it, you're a moron. They even have the keychains that come with it. Kids and mowers don't mix. So never, ever ride with your children on the lawnmower, especially when the blades are running. And there's your dinner.